Haiti. Congratulations. The international community had a call to countries for forces to restore law and order in Haiti. Only one country really stepped up to the plate, and that was Kenya. And that was each and every one of you. So it is really necessary and proper for me to come all the way here to Kenya in person on behalf of President Trump, Secretary Rubio, and the people of the United States of America to recognize your heroic efforts that are giving the people of Haiti a chance.